In the future, being 100% biological will be your biggest weakness. Right now, machines are not just tools anymore. They think, they learn, they adapt faster than any human brain ever could. Every second you spend hesitating, an algorithm somewhere is making a decision that used to belong to you. As artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence across every measurable domain, a terrifying choice begins to crystallize for our species. Stay natural and become obsolete, or merge with the machine and survive. This is not a distant dystopia written in a science fiction novel. This is the trajectory we are already on. The upgrade is not coming. It is already here. Evolve or expire. Neural interfaces are no longer confined to laboratories or theoretical white papers. Companies are actively developing brain-computer connection technology that bridges the gap between gray matter and silicon circuits. Electrodes thinner than a human hair are being designed to sit inside your skull, reading electrical signals fired between neurons and translating them into digital commands. Now imagine thinking a single command and having the entire global web respond instantly. No screens, no keyboards, no voice prompts, just pure, unfiltered data streaming directly into your consciousness at the speed of thought. Medical applications alone are staggering. Paralyzed patients are already moving robotic limbs using only their minds. Memory loss conditions could be treated by implanting digital memory banks. The boundary between human cognition and machine processing is dissolving faster than most people realize. Subscribe to the next world to witness the birth of a new species. But here is where the story fractures into something deeply unsettling. If you upload your mind to the cloud, where exactly do you end and the algorithm begin? If scientists can edit your emotional responses, amplify your confidence, or permanently delete your fear, have they improved you or replaced you? Every modification chips away at the raw, unfiltered experience of being human. Suffering, longing, grief, and joy are not bugs in our biological code. They are the entire program. The future is not about robots taking over humanity from the outside. It is about humanity voluntarily becoming robotic from the inside. Humanity.exe not found. Who are you? So here is the question that should keep you awake tonight. Would you surrender your biological body for a digital mind capable of living forever? Or is mortality itself the very soul of what makes us human? A life with an expiration date might be the only thing giving it meaning. Comment upgrade or natural below and tell the world which side you stand on. The next world is not out there somewhere waiting to be discovered. It is already growing inside you.